So I want to talk to you about a few things having to do with Terra Classic. All right, so first and foremost, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below and drop a like on this video if you get value out of it. Let's get this to try to say 300 likes. That would be cool, and continue to tell the algorithm about Terra Classic and all that kind of stuff. So here we go. All right, so here's the thing. Today, Terra Classic has been as high as 4678 in the last 24 hours, right? And it's right now at a 415, 4149. Earlier today, it was down about 14+% or more, and it's come back and shaved a little bit of that loss off. This, to me, is a profit-taking period that what we're seeing here. Volume's down 40+%. If you look at the last 7 days, we've got a really nice, fairly nice level of consolidation starting to build, where we're trading in kind of this 4 range all the way up to 4.7s, give or take. And again, right here, we're in this 4 range. Okay, so it looks like there's this volatility, but for about the past 2 days, we've been doing this. Now, I think this right here was some whale movement. There was some stuff going on with Luna, Terra Luna, money. I think money moving back and forth. That's my personal opinion. Okay, but this is what I want to see here is the stabilization and consolidation. By the way, did you know this? That Terra has done up over 300+% in September alone. By the way, there's only been 11 days in September. 300+% in September. That is a significant rally, and I don't want me or you to lose sight of that. Okay, and so that's why I'm kind of wrapping this video around the fact that this consolidation pattern is good. And this is good, and this is something that we like to see. And you're gonna have days where you're down, right? I mean, it's just simply going to happen. If you look at kind of like right now, SHIB's down 2.5% as a point, right? The overall market down. Okay, here's the other thing you need to know. Okay, there is a major event, if you didn't know this, coming up. And I talk about this in all my videos because this is something you need to know about. September 20th and 21st, the Federal Reserve is going to be meeting to discuss whether or not they should raise the base interest rate and in their efforts to combat inflation. And it does have an impact on Terra Luna Classic. It does. Here's why. Number one, Terra Luna Classic is now back up into the top 100. We all know this. It is now ranked number 29. Where the rest of the entire market goes, Terra Classic is going to follow in one way or the other. Okay, so if we get if we get a situation where we get surprised by the Federal Reserve, if, like, for example, if they raise the base interest rate 100 basis points, that's going to run everything down, including Terra Classic. Okay. Also, I want to point out, I think we got a lot of new people coming into Terra Classic. They're FOMOing in, they're coming in, they're expecting to get rich in the next 10 minutes. 300+% rise in September tends to attract that. I'm not saying that in a bad thing, but here's what I'm trying to convey to you. So if you're one of those, if all you have is your money is only in Terra Classic, number one, have a plan to take profits. Okay, know what your cost basis is and have a profit plan. And that profit plan could be as simple as this. Hey, you want to make 30%, 20%, 40% on your Terra Classic investment. If you put $1,000 in, 30% is a $300 return on your investment. You get your $1,000 back plus $300. That's a 30% return on investment, which, by the way, is a fantastic return on investment. Have a plan. Okay, have a profit plan. Either take profits along the way, or you wait for a certain price point. If you bought it for X and you want to sell it for Y to make a 30% difference. That's number one. Number two, don't just be invested in Terra Classic. Have a plan to be diversified. Own some other assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu if you want, Cardano, whatever it may be. Have a plan for diversification. By the way, if you're interested, my Patreon link's in the description below. I go over all this in my group. Got a fantastic group over there. It's $20. You can join and cancel at any time, so check that out. Links in the description below, and you'll see this page where you can learn all of the benefits that you get. Okay, so again, I just wanted to make you aware. Federal Reserve meeting September 20th and 21st, 300+% rise in September. Have a profit plan, have a diversification plan, all of these things, because I care about you and I want you guys to do good and I want you guys to make a bunch of money. That's all I got for you. Thank you for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money.